Hi, baby. You got the hiccups. Hi. What do you think of those hiccups, huh?